Okay everyone, welcome back. We are in our SAP tutorial. Let's go and see what we can do. Today we are going to create one of the things that is the basic thing of the civil engineering design. We are going to create a beam. For that we easily click on new model, wait a little. When the new model is open, it open a page like this. What we want to do, default units. In which country you work, the units are different, but you can go with the units we use in America, like feet and inch, or you can use units like Newton, meter, and the things else. What we are going to use this unit. You can also use the defined material that used in Canada, China, Europe, India, Italy, New Zealand, Russia, Spain, and United States. By the user yourself, we are going to use the United States and we are going to create a beam. Number of the spans, we let it to be 2. Span length. The span length is the length between two spans, and the number of spans is you know already. It don't have anything for me to say. Okay, we simply delete the restraints of the beam for our sake, and I tell you why. We want to join the restraint in the after we create our beam. Okay, for beam we need to use a profile. How we use it? We simply open here and then add new property, and then we can use steel, concrete, aluminum, and others. We are going to use concrete and rectangular. What we gonna use? Okay, let's go to concrete reinforcement. I will teach you the things that will happen here, but now let's go to concrete reinforcement and just change the design time from column to beam. Say OK, and then use this. We can also change its name to beam. For example, change it to beam for now, because we have only one profile. OK. You can see our first beam is created. Okay, in the next lesson we are going to teach you how to add restraints to this simply beam. Have a good time.